मैं रायपुर में भी जब पहला मेडिविजन का कार्यक्रम हुआ था तो उसमें भी सम्मिलित हुआ था। उस समय का आकार देख करके और आज का जो मैं इसका आकार देखता हूँ तो मैं ये महसूस कर सकता हूँ कि मेडिविजन का विजन बहुत सही है और वो तीव्र गति से आगे बढ़ रहा है। इसलिए मेरी शुभकामनाएं हैं कि आपका विजन सही होने के कारण आप सही दृष्टि से आगे बढ़ रहे हैं।
Dental Vision 2017, it's my pleasure and privilege to address all of you.
Dental Vision 2017 at our campus, and it's a matter of great delight and honor that ABVP and Vidyarthi Nidhi has taken this lead in organizing this conference. Because I truly believe, like, we had the portrait of Swami Vivekananda, who has been one of the greatest nationalists of our time, of our country. He's been the proponent of Hinduism. He spread the message of Hinduism across the Western world. And I remember his sayings when he said that education and healthcare are the foundations on which a great nation is built.
जो भी आपके प्रोफेशन के, आपके करियर के, आपके जो भी सपने होंगे वो जरूर पूरे हो, लेकिन साथ साथ मैं जरूर कहूँगा कि अपने देश के बारे में, अपने देशवासियों के बारे में, लोगों के बारे में आप अधिक से अधिक जानें, और जानेंगे तो फिर मुझे कुछ कहने की जरूरत नहीं। डेफिनेटली यू विल लव इट, you will love them and you will serve.
It was very nice attending this conference. I would recommend this conference to every medical student.
Because this is a field where you have a lot of hitbacks rather than people pushing you forward. But if your objective is that to serve humanity, you'll always come right. And in India, we have a huge opportunity. There's nowhere else in the world, and I've traveled the world, I can tell you, nowhere else in the world can you have people who will serve, the best doctors in the world, serving the poorest of the poor for no cost at all.
It was a awesome conference. We were actually made to listen all the lectures and they were really good.
So we had a lot of fun here, and like stimulation lab is here, and it's like we're gaining our clinical practical knowledge, and it was great fun. ये मेरा सेकेंड टाइम है मेडिविजन में। मेडिविजन एक बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे हमें रोल मॉडल्स से बहुत इंस्पिरेशन मिलता है। और
Here we have came for the Medivision Conference 2017, and it's a great initiative running by the ABVP.
I have never seen a conference that big. I'd like to come forward to say that this is an initiative that has been brought forward, and it's a success and it's on its side.
मुझे तो लगता है ये मेडिविजन डॉक्टरों के लिए एक महाकुंभ की तरह है, जिसमें पूरे देश से डॉक्टर आके अपनी बातों को शेयर करके, एक दूसरे से चर्चा करके, बहुत सारे यहाँ सेशंस रखे गए जिसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने को मिली। बहुत सारे डॉक्टर्स जो ख्याति प्राप्त हैं हमारे बीच में आके बहुत सारी बातें हमको सिखाएं। अखिल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिषद की ये मेडिविजन बहुत अच्छी पहल है। मुझे लगता है ये इस साल नहीं, हर साल होनी चाहिए।
All India Conference is a very big platform for not just me but many other medical students like me who got to interact with the Union Health Minister of India and various Padma Shri Padma Bhushan winners. I don't think we'll ever get a chance like that, and we interacted with each other, students of other states, where we got to know how the medical fraternity is advancing not just in the country but in their own states, and this is a big platform for us so that we can make the future of India a better.
Medivision rocks.